Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jade, aka Cheeky Sparkles, and today I have a little mini shoe haul. So I have 3 pairs of shoes to share with you guys today, and I'm so excited. They're from brands that I love. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with the ones that I've been wearing basically all the time, and that is these beautiful flippin' rainbow Vans. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So I love Vans. I'm a big fan of Vans. I love Converse, you know, all of those guys. And I actually really needed a new pair of Vans. So right before my Japan trip, if you haven't seen those vlogs, I'll link them up here. They're super fun, go check them out. I decided to get a pair of slip-ons because I went with a school trip and the teacher said, hey, it'd be a good idea to have some slip-ons. We're gonna be going in and out of places, you know, have some slip-ons. So I ended up getting a pair of Vans in a light purpley pink, and I wore those basically the entire trip. I didn't even wear my other really expensive shoes that I bought for the trip. I wore those. And so they're getting a little gross now. I just use them for like errand shoes, like they're my like go-to driving shoes, that kind of thing. So I thought, hey, time to upgrade. Let's get a new pair. And I was in the mall that I worked at, Mayfair, and I saw these shoes and I'm like, oh, girl, do you have a size 7.5 women's, please? And she was like, no, and I'm like, oh. So she went back and she came out with a black pair and she's like, hey, we can try these on for sizing, and I'm like, yes. So she ordered me a pair and they showed up in like 2 days. I was very happy. But they're just so pretty. Look at this. Look at how rainbow they are. Now, I like how there's more blue and yellow and green on the front. I don't really care for the back as much because it's just kind of orange and purple. But the ones that were in the store didn't have much blue. Like, it wasn't as nicely flowing as these ones. So I was a little worried that these ones would be like that. But no, not at all. They are so comfy. These are always my go-to shoes on a daily basis. They're so comfortable. By far, probably the most comfortable shoes I owned. I recommend Vans so much. Not spons, I just love Vans. So y'all know I'm an Amazon fan. I love Amazon so much. I love Amazon wigs. I love Amazon like skirts, shoes, all that kind of fun stuff. And recently, or like this past year, I stumbled across a brand called Antena. Yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they're kind of like the Amazon Lolita brand, and I love their stuff so much. Holy cheese, it is so good. I have 2 skirts from there, and then I think one of my pair of shoes are from there. Yeah, I think one of them are from there. Anyways, my shoes came in and I'm so excited. I actually got them for this dress from IMovie. Use code CHEEKY for 10% off at checkout. And oh my god, okay. Wait, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I haven't seen them since I ordered them online. Yay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, they match so perfectly. Oh, they're snaps. Oh my gosh, the best kind of shoe. Okay, snaps are literally the greatest thing, and I discovered that Lolita shoes like do the snaps thing, and I've never wanted to go back to other kind of shoes again. Oh, okay. So they are these like chunky platform heeled baby blue with a white highlight trims Lolita shoes. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, their brand in the shoes, look at how cute that is. It's so adorable. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh my gosh, I need to get the other one. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them so much. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to wear these. Oh my gosh. Okay, for a second I thought I pulled 2 left shoes out, but I was just holding them on the wrong side. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't wait to try these on. Okay, the final pair of shoes is the ones I am so excited for. I have worn them a few times, but we're gonna go through the motions because I just love these shoes so much, so we're just gonna go through it. So, peeping around on the internet recently and on my Instagram has been Converse and Hello Kitty, aka the Hello Kitty x Converse collab. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was like sneaky looking at the white ones with Hello Kitty and friends, and I was like, yes, I really love those, but I'm like, I don't know if I really love them. Like, they're super cute, but I don't know if they were just not for me. So I decided to pop down to my local shoe store called Baggins on a street. I'm terrible with directions, my apologies. But the store called Baggins, and I was like, hey, are you getting the Hello Kitty Converse collab in? And they're like, yes. So I peeped down, and I was like, oh, okay, well, maybe they have some different ones. And I didn't even realize this pair existed until I got there. But anyways, I kept the box because I like collecting shoe boxes. So, ooh, it's got Hello Kitty right there. Ooh, bows on the side, very cute. And then it's got Converse and the Hello Kitty. So I got these beautiful freaking shoes. These shoes are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I didn't even realize they came in the pink because I just hadn't seen them on my Instagram, which like seems crazy, but I just hadn't. They're so cute. Look at Hello Kitty, and like her little hands are like holding the shoe. That's so cute. It's got the classic Converse on the side. I wear pink, so I'm like, I like pink. I know like white would have been cool, and I have white Converse somewhere, but I thought, I'm like, I really wanted pink ones. I wish they had come in pink with the Hello Kitty and friends, but when I saw these ones, I needed them! So I got these ones instead. I just thought they were so cute. The Hello Kitty on there, the Hello Kitty on the tongue. Ugh, can we see? Yes, it's so cute. And then it's got the Hello Kitty x Converse collab in the actual shoe as well. Oh my gosh, these shoes are absolutely adorable. The bottom has little bows on it. Hello, attention to detail much. Thank you, Converse x Hello Kitty. Now, these shoes were a little on the pricey side. I really thought the white ones would have been a lot more because there's like and friends. These ones were 129 Canadian plus tax. And I was like trying to justify purchasing shoes that much, but then I'm like, haha, wait, you do that all the time. So like whatever, I like shoes. I know I will get a lot of wear out of them. So I was like, why not? Because you know, the dollar per wear. If I wear them 129 times, $1 per wear. Perfect, I got my money worth. They're so good. I think we need to try all of them on.